Today I'll show you how you can create a landing page using Getresponse. So first you need to log into your Getresponse account, and now I've already logged into it. And once you logged into it, you will get into a dashboard similar to this. So here, go and click on landing pages. So once you click on landing pages, it takes you to a page such as this. Now go and click on create landing page. Click on it, and this takes you to a page which shows a lot of templates. Now Getresponse gives you a lot of templates which you can directly select, and you can use it. Otherwise, they also provide an option where you can build your own landing page from scratch. Now let's select one of the templates which Getresponse has provided. So let's select this template. So I'm going to select this template. Once you select this template, they ask you to enter a name for your landing page. That can be any name. So I'm going to name my landing page 4, and I just need to create on use template. And then what happens is that it takes you to the editor. So just wait, it's there, it's the editor is just loading. Okay, here comes the editor. So once you select your landing page name and you just click on it, use template, it gets directed to this page. Here is a page where you can exactly modify the template, the landing page, according to your need. So let's say you want to remove this text, or you want to edit this text. So learn effective marketing techniques, and I want to include whatever text I want. You can include whatever text you want. So you just need to double click on that square box and enter whatever it is. So learn effective marketing techniques in, sorry, 3 months. So here, like that, you can edit, and you can do a lot of things. You can change the font, you can change the sizing, you can make it bold, etc. So like that. So this is a section where, where in this template you can see this section. If you want to change this, you just need to place, this is an image, so you can replace that image with whatever image you have. So you can just click on replace, and this provides you an option where you can upload one of your image, and you can select that onto your template. Otherwise, if you don't have any images with your end, you can just select on iStock. Getresponse provides this option for iStock. So what happens is that they provide a lot of images inside it. So you can select any one of the images for placement on your landing page, and that's it. So as of now, I'm going to select one of my images here. So I'll just click on my images, and I've already uploaded one image, so I'm just using that. So I just need to click on use image, and it comes there. So that's it. So Navdeep Soni. So this is what it is. And there's a lot of other features also. Now say if you want to include a video in your landing page, you can just point your mouse pointer here, and you just need to drag and drop that video here, or place it wherever you want. So you can just place it in your template, and if you want to, and you want to include your link, just double click on this section, and here you can paste your link here. So it's as simple as that. So I'm just deleting it right now, and you can delete that section. Similarly, if you want to include any of your social icon buttons, you can just go click it, drag and drop this pointer here, and that's it. So it's as simple as that. Similarly, you can do it for Twitter icon, LinkedIn icon, etc. So I'm just deleting it again. Now if you want to include another button, you can just create a button here and just place it, and if you want, you can just edit on it or whatever you want. So similarly, if you want to include an image inside your the landing page, you just need to select this section, and you just need to place it wherever you want this image to come, and you just need to click on replace, and you can just replace your image. So, and it also provides another option where you can edit your text. You can include shapes. If you want it on your landing page, you can do a variety of things. So you can edit your text, you can include videos, such and such can be done on this. So now if you want to edit the text on this button, you can just edit it, like you can like I can put submit. Okay, and if you want to name the change email address or whatever you want, you can edit on this. Once you have done it, now this is a desktop preview. So if you want to check how it is going to look in your mobile, you just need to click on this, and it comes like this. So on your mobile, your display will be like that. So this is a preview of your mobile and your desktop view. So once you've made all your changes, you will need to save the changes. So you can always do a save. So that saves it for you. So once you made all the changes and you have saved it, then go to click on next step. Once you click on next step, they always ask you whether on a mobile version you have not you can save it for your mobile version. If you want to return to editor, you can return. Otherwise, you can check on proceed without mobile edition. So right now I'm just going to click on proceed without mobile version. I am just going to click on proceed without mobile version, and this takes you to the last page. Here you can place a title for your landing page. This title is mainly for your SEO settings, which can help you rank your landing page on Google also. So I'll just put the title. You can put a meta description. You can just enter. As of now, I'm not entering any meta description. And this will be your link of your landing page. You can select any one of the subdomains, but this will be the default gr8.com. Now if you want your landing page to have your own domain, you can do it. You just need to follow the change DNS settings or add a CNAME entry to your subdomain. You just need to click on it and they'll exactly show you how to do it. Now as of now, I'm just going to take this default link, and that's it. And you just need to click on publish for creating your landing page. So once publish is clicked, it will take you to this page, and that's it. Your landing page is created. Now you just need to click on this link and you can just check out your created landing page. So it's as simple as it. So any user can just submit their name and email address and submit, and you'll get it. And this is how to create a landing page using Getresponse. If you have any doubts regarding creating landing pages using Getresponse, please comment us. You can just put your queries on the comments in the YouTube channel, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. I'll come up with many other videos regarding Getresponse shortly, like how to connect an autoresponder, and as well as a detailed PDF copy which you can just download, which includes all the features which Getresponse has. So it will just come shortly. Any doubts regarding how to create a landing page, please comment with your queries. Thank you.